Okay, so you've created your spreadsheet and entered your data, and now you want to create a chart. Let's start with the pie chart. But before we do any kind of adding pictures, we have to make sure that we have saved all our pictures into a folder. And as you can see, my pictures are here in a folder called Fruit Pics on the hard drive. And now I'm going to close that folder because I don't need to be in it right now. But I will have to access those in order to add the pictures. So first we're going to start with the pie chart. And in order to add pictures to this pie chart, I need to click on the data points. Each of these little pieces of pie is referred to as a data point. Same with the bar graphs. Each of the little bars is called the data point. It's important to know the terminology so that when you're looking for things in the help section, you can find them. So let's start with the grapes. And I'm going to click on it once. Now notice when I click on it once, there's a little dot around the whole pie. I don't want that because whatever I add, it's going to add the same thing to the whole pie. So I need to click once more inside, and notice now that there are dots around just that one wedge. So that next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to right click on the piece of pie, otherwise known as data point, and I'm going to click on Format Data Point. Next I'm going to click on Fill Effects. And by the way, this is where you would also change the color. So just to let you see, I can change this to green and click here, and now it's green. So let's do that again. I'm going to right click, go to Format Data Point because I want to add a picture. Click on Fill Effects and click on the Picture tab. Then we need to go and select a picture. Now what I need to do is I need to go and find where my picture is located. It's located on my USB drive. And I open the Excel folder. And there's my Fruit Pics folder. And I'm going to click on the grapes. I click Insert. I can either double click or click Insert. It'll bring me back to this one. And then I click OK. OK again. And there are my grapes. Let's do that one more time. We'll do it for the apple this time. I'm going to click on my my data point. Make sure that my handles are around the section that I want them on. I'm going to right click, choose Format Data Point, Fill Effects, Picture, select Picture. I don't have to navigate because it already knows where I've been. I'm going to click the apple, Insert, just click OK out of these boxes. And there's my apple. So we can go around and do each one, and then we'll end up with fruit in each of our pies. I'll just do one more real quick. We'll do the orange. I click on it. Notice I don't get what I want. I click again. I still don't get what I want. I click again, and now I have the pie. Now, if I click outside again, and I double click on that pie wedge, if you notice, I brought up the Format Data Series. However, look at where my data points are. If I pick something now, I'll pick yellow, let's say, and I click OK, look what's going to happen. Everything turned yellow. What do I do if that happens? I go up to Edit, and I choose Undo Format Data Series, and it'll bring me back. So if that should happen to you, just go to Edit and Undo. Good luck and have fun.